Hey Trumpets, so this week's video lesson is going to be on a piece called Military March. Okay? And you probably have this in your tunes folder. If not, I'm going to include it in the homework as a PDF that you can copy. But if you look here, it's a trio. So there's an A part, a B part, and a C part. So the A part is going to always read the A line, which is the top line. The B part is always going to read the second line, okay? It's not going to go from here, say, to there. No, it's always going to go from B to B to B, and the C is always going to go from C to C to C, okay? And just to keep you entertained, I thought I'd give you a bad joke that I'm going to bury somewhere in our video every time. So here's the beginning of our bad joke this week. What do you get from a pampered cow? So you have to wait for the answer. You got to keep watching the video. It's going to be in here. Keep watching. Let's go through these parts, okay? So the C part, we're going to learn first. It's actually the easiest part, but I want to look at a couple things in here. First of all, if you look in our key signature, this is a beautiful thing for us. We have no sharps, no flats, okay? So we're going to make sure we play first valve Fs, open Cs, and open Gs. So if you look at the C part, take a look at your music, the C part at the end. We've got G's toward the end. Let's play some G's. Let's play some low C's. Okay? Let's play this C part. Be careful, at the end of the first line, we've got a repeat sign. The repeat sign goes back to almost the very beginning. If you can find the other repeat sign in the very beginning, we keep playing again, we play that part again. Then when we get to the end of the first line, that first ending, we don't do that again. We jump to the second line, to the second ending. Okay? Let's try the C part. 1, 2, 1. Repeat. Okay, so that's the C part. Now let's get a little bit, let's make things a little tougher. Let's go to the B part. So the B part, I want to take a look at a few little spots here. One other note I want to give us. If you look at all these notes here, and you notice this note, and this note, they'll have these lines underneath them. We call those ties. It takes these two notes and turns them into one note. Takes these two notes, turns them into one note. Okay, that's what a tie does. Joins the same note together. So look at the B part. I want to look at the end of the first line of the B part. Can you find me the lowest note on the B part, first line? If you're pointing to your low B, you're in the right spot. So it's the fourth measure from the end of the first line. Low B is second valve. Let's play some low Bs. We're going to stay really relaxed, really gentle to get that low B out. Let's look at the second line. Let's look past measure 11. You can see the box there, 11. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth bar of 11, we've got a sharp sign next to our F. So we've got to play F sharp, which is also second valve. Our B was down here. F sharp is going to be, we're going to tighten here, and we're going to blow a little bit faster air. And it's going to give me my F sharp. Let's try our B part. Watch out for your repeat, and make sure you jump the second time to the second ending. 1, 2, 1. an extra note at the end, just for emphasis. It's not written in there. So you can have that note too. A short little button at the end. Lastly, let's look at our most challenging part in this, which is the A part. And if we look here, let's look at measure 11. Can you tell me what note that is? Measure 11? Third space note for trumpet. That's going to be my open C. So let's start with low C. Relaxed. We're going to tighten a little bit more to get G. And now we're going to go for high C. We're going to tighten even more. That's my note at 11. I'm going to be careful to play B naturals when I have B's written, second finger. So there's going to be B naturals and C's. Okay? So the neat thing with this is we can intertwine all these parts. I'm going to play the A part. You may not be able to learn the A part right away, but you might want to play the C part with me playing the A part. Or go back and play the B part if you learn that with me playing the C part or me playing the A part. Okay? So that's what we can do on this. Let's try the A part together. And I'm going to start this. You can play with me or you can play it in sections. Stop, listen, and try it on your own. Here we go. A part. 1, 2, 1. Okay, so great job, trumpets. So, we've got to finish of course, our bad joke. You guys like bad jokes? I hope so. Okay, so our bad joke was, let me think, what do we call a pampered cow? Did you get it? No, not what do we call. What do you get from a pampered cow? Spoiled milk. Bye, trumpets.